Japan, the land of the rising sun, is a dream destination for millions of travelers around the world. With its perfect blend of ancient tradition and cutting-edge modernity, it offers something for every kind of visitor, from serene temples and historical shrines to neon-lit cityscapes and futuristic bullet trains. For travelers from the United States, there's even more reason to pack your bags. You can visit Japan without a visa for short-term stays. This visa exemption opens doors for seamless, spontaneous travel to one of the most captivating countries in the world. But why exactly is Japan visa-free for U.S. travelers? How long can you stay, and what are the benefits? This journey will walk you through the key facts, the policies behind the decision, and all the perks you can enjoy thanks to this traveler-friendly arrangement. Why is Japan visa-free for U.S. citizens? Diplomatic relations and mutual trust. The main reason U.S. passport holders don't need a visa for short visits to Japan lies in strong diplomatic ties between the two nations. As two of the world's largest economies and close allies, Japan and the United States have built mutual trust and cooperation over decades. This trust manifests in multiple ways, one of which is Japan's decision to allow U.S. travelers to enter without a visa for tourism and short-term business purposes. It's a reflection of low immigration risk, economic interdependence, and a shared interest in fostering cultural exchange and tourism. Subscribe for more adventures. Ori, part of Japan's visa exemption policy. Japan maintains visa exemption arrangements with over 70 countries, including most of Europe, Australia, Canada, South Korea, and the United States. These agreements are rooted in reciprocity. Many of these countries also allow Japanese citizens to enter visa-free. This policy is part of Japan's broader aim to promote tourism and international relations. In 2019, before the pandemic, Japan recorded over 31 million tourist arrivals, a significant portion of which were from visa-exempt countries. How long can you stay without a visa? If you are a U.S. citizen traveling to Japan, you can stay up to 90 days without a visa for the purposes of tourism, short-term business meetings, or visiting friends or family. This 90-day period is non-extendable under normal visa-free entry, and you cannot engage in any paid employment during this time. If you wish to stay longer or engage in activities like working, studying, or journalism, you must apply for the appropriate visa in advance. What do you need to enter Japan without a visa? While you don't need a visa, there are still a few requirements to ensure smooth entry. A valid U.S. passport, which must be valid for the entire duration of your stay. There is no official requirement for additional months of validity beyond your departure date, but it's wise to have at least 6 months of validity. A return or onward ticket, you may be asked to show proof of onward travel, such as a return flight ticket or itinerary showing you plan to leave Japan within 90 days. Accommodation and contact information. Be prepared to provide details about where you'll stay in Japan, whether it's hotels, Airbnb bookings, or an address if staying with friends or family. Proof of funds, if asked. Japanese immigration may ask for proof that you can support yourself during your stay. This could be in the form of bank statements, credit cards, or traveler's checks. The benefits of visa-free travel to Japan. Simplicity and spontaneity. Visa-free travel makes it easier than ever to plan a trip. No paperwork, consulate visits, or waiting periods. You can book a last-minute flight to Tokyo or Osaka and just go. This flexibility is especially valuable for spontaneous travelers or business people who need to travel on short notice. Cost savings applying for a visa can be expensive, especially when you factor in fees, courier costs, and the time spent gathering documents. With visa-free entry, you bypass all of that, saving both time and money. Streamlined immigration processing. Visa-exempt travelers usually enjoy quicker processing at immigration. At many Japanese airports, automated gates and dedicated lanes speed up entry procedures for eligible visitors. Stress-free planning with visa-free access. The biggest things you need to focus on are your itinerary, lodging, and packing. This lowers the stress of international travel and makes Japan more accessible, even to first-time travelers. Ideal for short stays and stopovers. If you're exploring multiple countries in Asia, the 90-day visa-free period makes Japan an ideal stopover or short vacation destination. Whether it's a week-long cherry blossom tour or a brief sushi pilgrimage, you won't need special permissions. What can you do in Japan as a visa-free traveler? The beauty of Japan is that even in 90 days, you'll never run out of things to see and do. Here are just a few highlights. Explore ancient temples and shrines. From Kyoto's Kinkaku-ji, also known as the Golden Pavilion, to Tokyo's Meiji Shrine, Japan offers centuries of preserved heritage in tranquil, stunning locations. Experience world-class cuisine. Japanese food is a UNESCO cultural treasure. Enjoy everything from fresh sushi in Tsukiji Market to savory ramen in Fukuoka and Michelin-starred delights in Tokyo. Ride the Shinkansen or bullet train. Efficient, clean, and fast, the Shinkansen connects major cities in hours. It's one of the best ways to see the country comfortably. Attend seasonal festivals. Japan has vibrant seasonal festivals like Hanami, which is cherry blossom viewing, Gion Matsuri in Kyoto, and Nebuta Matsuri in Aomori. Visa-free access means you can time your visit to enjoy these unforgettable events, and don't forget to shop in style. Whether you're into anime collectibles, high fashion, electronics, or traditional crafts, Japan offers something for every type of shopper. Important notes about visa-free entry. While the 90-day stay is generous, here are some things to keep in mind. Don't overstay. Overstaying can lead to penalties, detainment, or future bans. You can't work. Even freelance or remote work for foreign companies may raise red flags if discovered. No extensions. If you need to stay longer, apply for the appropriate visa before your trip or re-enter after traveling to another country, though this is not guaranteed. Customs rules apply. Check what you can and cannot bring into Japan, especially in terms of medications, food, and electronics. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Japan temporarily suspended visa exemptions. However, as of 2023 and beyond, Japan has fully reinstated visa-free travel for U.S. citizens and most other eligible nationalities. Always check the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan website for the most current entry requirements before traveling. Looking to stay longer? If 90 days isn't enough and you dream of living or working in Japan, consider applying for a different visa category. Work visa, engineer, teacher, specialist, student visa, spouse visa for those married to Japanese nationals, cultural visa, arts, martial arts, language studies. These visas require a separate application process through the Japanese consulate or embassy in your home country. A gateway to adventure. Visa-free travel to Japan is more than just a convenience. It's an open invitation to explore one of the most unique, beautiful, and hospitable countries on Earth. With hassle-free entry, stunning landscapes, rich traditions, and world-renowned hospitality, Japan offers an unforgettable experience to every kind of traveler. Whether you're dreaming of Tokyo's neon skyline, Kyoto's timeless temples, or Hokkaido's snow-capped mountains, your journey begins with the power of a U.S. passport and a 90-day welcome with no visa in sight. Subscribe for more adventures. Love travel tips, destination guides, and insider insights like this? Subscribe for more adventures. Join our global community of explorers and be the first to know about visa updates, travel hacks, and hidden gems from around the world.